Hello friends, I am Miss India. Because you hear me but can't see. I am just joking. We already learned the use of have as a helping verb and modal auxiliary. Now let's begin the English workshop. The first question in workshop is: add your own sentences to those given in the passage to illustrate the uses of have. Illustrate means explain with examples. एक हैव के उपयोग को स्पष्ट करने के लिए पैसेज में दिए गए वाक्यों में अपने खुद के वाक्य जोड़े. टू शो possession, here we have to make some sentences which show possession. 5 sentences showing possession are given below. हमें possession यानी कब्जा दिखाने वाले वाक्य बनाना है. नीचे possession के 5 sentences दिए हैं. I have an Apple phone. We have a bungalow. You have a car. Rani has many pets. She has a golden pen. B. To indicate a relationship, here we have to make some sentences which show relationship. 5 sentences showing relationships are given below. हमें relationship यानी रिश्तेदारी दिखाने वाले जुमले बनाना है. नीचे रिलेशनशिप के 5 सेंटेंसेस दिए हैं. I have a grandmother. I have a brother. I have 2 sisters. She has many friends. You have 2 grandsons. C. To refer to eating, drinking, the following sentences are related to eating and drinking. खान पान से संबंधित वाक्य नीचे दिए हैं. Will you have a piece of cake? I have breakfast at 8 am. We have lunch at 2 p.m. They usually have dinner at 8 p.m. Will you have some coffee? D. To show ownership, the following sentences show ownership. मिल्कियत, स्वामित्व दिखाने वाले वाक्य नीचे दिए हैं. I have an Apple mobile. Our building has 2 lifts. My brother has 2 cars. Our school has a playground. My sister has a bungalow. E. To refer to events, activities and experience. The following sentences are related to events, activities and experience. नीचे दिए गए वाक्य घटनाओं, गतिविधियों और अनुभव से संबंधित है. My sister had a grand reception. We will have a farewell party at the end of SSC. Our school has a science exhibition tomorrow. She had a bad experience with politics. Our college has a cultural day on Friday. F. To refer to a physical condition, the following sentences are related to physical condition. नीचे दिए गए वाक्य शारीरिक हालत से संबंधित है. I have an acute headache. My mother had fever last night. They have loose motion due to food poisoning. She has various health-related issues. My friend has cough and cold. 2. Look up the following verbs in a good dictionary. List at least 20 different uses of each. You may include their use with different prepositions, adverbs, and in idioms. निम्नलिखित क्रियाओं को किसी अच्छे शब्दकोश में देखें. प्रत्येक के कम से कम 20 विभिन्न उपयोगों की सूची बनाएं. आप prepositions, adverbs, and idioms का भी उपयोग कर सकते हैं.